Hi guys, Sam Short and Ryan Short here from Short Marine. We just wanted to update you on the services we're still offering and the slight changes to how we do things in our attempt to help stop the spread of COVID-19.
Firstly, as a fully equipped service centre, we are still open. This includes full slipway services and antifouling, all mechanical and engine servicing, electrical repairs and full fit-outs, shipwright services for fiberglass and gelcoat repairs, and detailing.
We have gone through and adjusted our procedures, and every member of our team is across the new protocols in an attempt to protect themselves, our customers and the community. This includes a disinfectant wipe down of all major points of interaction and a complimentary full vessel wash down after all major services. We have also introduced free pick-up and drop-off for all boats on the water, as well as free mobile servicing for all trailer boats in an attempt to help remove the human-to-human contact as much as possible.
In regards to Grady Wide and taking boats for sea trials, virtual tours through every model will be available, and on appointment we will be doing one-on-one sea trials, obviously adhering to all social distancing laws. Thanks for your support through this period. Don't neglect your boat, we're here to help.